So Eli, one of the things that I wanted to talk to you about is the role that you play as an engineer engaging with customers and designing an environment. I think one of the things that we need to speak to is that when somebody brings us as an opportunity as a partner, when we're engaging with a client, we want to tell this story around handholding a client and designing their needs. When a client calls and says, can you help me design an access control environment? Can you help me with video surveillance and understand how I would set that up? What's my deployment of my hosted phone system? What's that strategy look like for other UCaaS or CCaaS? How do you engage in those worlds to build the client story?
Although the systems are various and huge and unique, the big thing is you have to talk to the customer. I can't walk into a company and say, this is what you need. I have to communicate with you. I have to hear what you need, what your end results you're looking for are, and then I can provide a solution to you. When I bring a solution back, I can come and sit down with you and say, here's what we have. This is what I've designed, listening to what your needs. Do you think it fits? It's either a yes or yes, and we need to add this. I've been thinking about it, but every solution is unique.
But isn't it part of the role that we play to bring insights and information on projects? And we're doing tons and tons of projects, and we're listening to clients' needs all the time. And there's usually little variables between clients' needs, but you're doing this all the time. So you're asking questions that they might not even know or know exist or think about. You might design a project they wouldn't know how to design. A lot of times, the sales rep will come in and say, I got this, let me work with you. But the client loses out because they don't have somebody like you to work with them to help design an environment that makes business sense.
And that's one of the major differences that we bring to the table. We don't have a cookie cutter experience. It's this. We bring our experience, and there may be a very minor detail that makes the end result much better for the end user. And it's our knowledge that we bring to the table, and we can pass that on and put in a solution that suits the needs of what somebody is wanting.
Yeah, it's not only suiting the need, but we can optimize the time frame to get the best price, to negotiate the best price, to build that story. That's part of the strategy of Procure IT, is to actually optimize pricing, optimize terms, and optimize value for each one of our clients. But we can't do that without your engagement often. And so sometimes people go, oh, well, I don't need this. But then really, the fact of the matter is they really do need this. They need this genuine engagement to help them design an environment that makes business sense. And, we work with a lot of MSPs. They have engineers on their staffs. They come in and design an environment. But around access controls and around some of these other services, there's not really a lot of engineers that focus on those areas. I think that's where you come into play. Pretty excited about that for our clients.
Absolutely. And that's what's nice, is every job's unique. Every job is a new experience. And we learn things, we build things, and we build our relationships with our customers so that, we're not in and out, thank you, goodbye, have a nice day. We're dealing with the same customers, the same people for, in my case, years and decades.
Yeah, you really have been great. Well, I just want to say thank you very much for just your support with our clients, your relationship with our clients, your engagement. You've been here for
30 years as of
30
July
years.
1.
I mean, the company's been around for 40 years. These experiences that clients get and the relationships they get with Procure IT now from our acquisition, Mercury Communications, is pretty amazing. So thank you again for all that you do for Procure IT.
Thank you.